To be honest, Māori have been here in Australia for the past 200 years.
I've got aunties, uncles, friends buried here, just up the road. And I don't think we're returning home soon.
If they want to learn anything, they should go home. You know, home is their tūrangawaewae.
So in order for our people to be supported, I think it's timely that, maybe a marae or a multi-purpose space, whatever you want to call it, is due. Because I've been on the ground, helping our people that are in crisis. I think unless you're out here doing the mahi, you really shouldn't be having a say.
Oh, that's a huge take, eh? I guess for other iwi and hapu, paitena, they can have it. But for us as tainui, kao. This is not our tūrangawaewae. It's not, we're only visitors here. We come over for work, paitena, for the pūtea, but our tūrangawaewae is back home. And there's a lot of areas. What's our maunga over here? What's our awa? And things like that. The wairua he rereke nā wairua, ne?
Even though a lot of people move here for the opportunities, whether it be mahi or whatever else, they still miss the things of back home, and especially if you've come from a kapaaka background. And so that's something that's been missing for me personally over the last 4 decades. And so I think a lot of our people miss those things of back home.
Ando te pai, te ahu ere kai. Our babies are the next generation coming through. And to teach them that their tūrangawaewae is back home and not here. We're just only visitors, eh? We can move together when we come together as a people and support one another in every event, tanihana, whatever it may be. We're there to support. We're not there to take over.
The couple fighting right next door. Her angry words sound clear through these thin walls. Yeah, there's unfortunately a lot of rangatahi appearing before the courts in the Gold Coast. And just the disconnection. If you ask them, what's your pepeha, or what iwi are you from, or they don't even know where their parents come from in New Zealand, like Wellington or Auckland. The disconnection is real.
We've tried to do the right thing by the tangata whenua here. And I know that they've had plenty of hui, even though, there's lots of people down there making lots of noise, even though there has been a lot of opposition against it. I think it's important for our people. I think it's a real positive thing for our people and for the tangata whenua here, for us to establish deeper connection with them.
I understand the argument that we don't want to takahi the mana of the tangata whenua here. Obviously, being Māori, we would only ever consult with the elders and the people of the land to make sure that they give their blessings so we can establish a support space for our people.
We'd be on neutral grounds, a church and a community centre where people can come together, because it's not a marae, ne? Whereas when you have a marae or a pā, what's the tikana?
We are wayfinders, and we have navigated to Aussie, and we're on the 3rd generation now, and we have to be open-minded to implement support systems for our people, as well as respecting the tangata whenua here. I think there's not really a space here in the Gold Coast or in Queensland, in Australia really, for our people to come when they're in need. I'm a firm believer, if you don't know who you are, you don't know where you're going.
te take.